Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. Today I am excited to share with you a flip through of the journal that I made using the RachandBella Crafts Rosy Blooms digital kit and a hamburger helper box with some envelopes as it would turn out. I also used some other papers in there, but we'll get into that in a second. This journal here is one signature, and let's see the measurements. It is about 7 inches by almost 5 inches. So not too precise, but it was the size of my hamburger helper box. And that is what I used to make this journal. And I just love how it turned out. I am calling this one Roses and Love Letters. And you'll see why once we get inside. So let's go ahead and open it. It's got some beautiful machine stitching all the way around on the cover, and a little ribbon closure, which is just so dainty, and I think the green just kind of pops out those leaves. And we've got a beautiful gold charm here hung by a bulb pin, and then this flap opens up and you can put, you know, some sentiments or some photos. It'd be really cute to put one of those little photo booth strips in there. This design here is achieved with some rub-ons that I had in my stash and some beautiful roses, and this was a decoupage piece of ephemera that I made in another video, and I'll link that down below. Got some beautiful lace on the edge here, and without further ado, we'll get into the inside. Let's see, oops, there we go. So it opens kind of like this, and this piece is actually supposed to be in the front. So on the left side, we have a cute little flip pocket that has a little envelope in here with a little note from a piece of card from the collection. And I love that. It just flips right back in here. And then this rose paper is actually from Bo Bunny. Flips out here, we have a cute little tag that's made from paper from the collection. And just another piece of ephemera. I'm not sure where this one came from, just in my stash. And then we've got another envelope flip with a pocket up here. Beautiful image from the Rosy Bloom kit. I love it. And this is a piece of crepe paper that has all of the letters in here. So nice backer that one makes. And that is everything on that side. Cute little flip. So this one actually got a little bigger than I intended, but I love it just the same. This is actually a piece of paper from crepe paper. And I made some little envelopes to put in this mailbox. How sweet is this? And these actually open up, so you could put a little photo or a note or something. I've got a little heart inside of this one. So super fun. Cute little embellishments here, pieces of ephemera. And then we've got some Nuvo drops accenting this piece of paper that is, again, crepe paper. So a little bit of some stickles too on the gold glitter here, the gold hearts. And then this background paper is from the Rosy Blooms collection. I think it just went perfectly. Added some extra flowers in here where the mailbox didn't have any behind it, so that was perfect. And then inside we have our single signature here. Cute little ephemera tag. I do have a video making all of this ephemera with decoupaging, so like I said, I'll link that down below. I've got some beautiful lace and some flat back pearls, some hearts, and all the tags from the collection. Underneath there we have some rub-ons, and just adds a little extra to the paper. Another beautiful design from the Rosy Blooms kit. A little pocket decoupaged over the Rosy Blooms kit, and I think it just looks perfect. This rose just kind of ghosts right behind there, and it looks so beautiful. And then a tag from the collection here, and another beautiful image. Love that. Got a little cluster here and a piece of the Rosy Bloom kit. I just cut this little petals out here. Let me see if we can get a better view. There we go. The leaves, I just kind of cut that and layered it over. So this, it's actually from this piece of paper here, layered over there. And we've got a little pocket here, and this tag was made from the kit. One of those little faux stamps. I love that with the scripty font there. All right, let's zoom out just a little bit. There we go. that back in there. I've got a nice piece of lace here too. And just a couple of extra little pieces of ephemera. These are not from the kit. These are from Bo Bunny and just some things I had in my stash, but I thought they matched very well. This piece here, this top tuck, is from the kit. It's been stitched all the way around. And then this is another of the beautiful ephemera tags I did make. This was from the kit as well. And all these beautiful hearts that you see are from the kit as well. Love them. We've got some vintage rickrack here on the trim. And these roses, or these hearts, are put in a triple pocket here. So we've got one pocket here, and these rose tags are made from the collection papers. Super fun. And some nice lace back there. Another image from the kit here. This page is just decorative, but you could use this piece here as a little tuck. It's kind of a belly band with a heart, and then this actually is a wooden button. So very cute. And we've got some nice trim here, accenting some more beautiful paper from the collection. Some tags, kind of calling out these beautiful peach colors. I just love all of the colors in this collection. A nice side tuck here with one of the hearts from the collection as a little tab. Backed on some more beautiful paper from the collection. This one also is a paper from the collection, but I did put a napkin decoupaged over that, and that's in the ephemera video that I'll link below. So this one actually is a flip up. Oops, we lost one of our little envelopes. Let's put it back in the mailbox there. Okay, so this one flips up. Hopefully we can see everything. And it's actually a side pocket, so you could put a larger photo or a larger note card in here if you wanted to. Journaling card. Yeah, there we go. Little pocket there. And then we have a little pocket here, which wasn't dry in time for me to stick something in there, but I will. And on this side, we have a policy closure. And this little thing flips up. You get a lot of these beautiful little designs you can use as tabs, or you can use them as little labels or whatever in the kit, and I love those. Then we've got a tag in here. Little place to tuck something. This one here is a belly band. Let's see if we can move this a little better for viewing. So we've got a nice belly band here, pocket here, and then this is a piece of fabric holding the hinge together there. And it's got some stamped flowers on there. Vintage rickrack here for decoration. I'll close this one back up. And then we've got two more pockets here. So this one here is just a little journaling card. And a pretty tag here. And then we have another tag here. And then it all closes back up like this. So you get your cute little mail envelopes. And it closes back up like this. We've got some music paper on the back, and you can see all of this beautiful stitching here. And there's the spine. And then when I close this up, I just kind of went like this. With this beautiful little charm. I love this gold charm. Oops. And we've got some bling on the front cover here. Love that too. Lots of hearts and fun. So then I just took one here and one on top and tied it. Maybe. Into a cute little bow. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed checking out my journal. This one, again, I'm calling Roses and Love Letters. It's just so cute and pretty. I love it. It's kind of got a shabby chic feel to it. So let me know in the comments down below if you have made any journals out of these hamburger helper boxes. I seem to really enjoy noodle boxes. Some of my friends call me the noodle queen, but they do make a really nice size journal, and I just love it. So let me know if you love it too. And also, I'll put a link to the Rosy Bloom kits from RachandBella Crafts that you can purchase on Etsy for digital download and make a beautiful journal yourself. So give me a big thumbs up if you like this journal, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for other great videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.